If you're new here, we're the founders and creators of Thank You Plant-Based God. I'm Valentina.
I'm Cameron, and today we're going to be making some homemade chili.
Okay, let's get started.
So for our ingredients, we have scallion, white onion, red onions, avocados, peppers, garlic, your choice of hot sauce, black and red beans, and some sour cream. So the first thing you're going to want to do is put your heat on medium, and then we're going to take our red and black beans and soak in water for 2 hours. We're going to let that sit and cook while we dice the rest of our ingredients. And start chopping away. All of the ingredients will then go into our bowl where we're going to set aside and then include into our beans once they are softened. So now that your beans have been cooking for 2 hours, you're going to want to drain them and add them back into the pot with 3 to 5 cups of water. You're going to incorporate all of your chopped vegetables, and then you're going to go in with your dry ingredients. After you've mixed in the chopped vegetables, beans, and dry ingredients, you're going to want to mix very well, bring to a boil, and then turn down the heat to a medium simmer for 20 to 25 minutes. Now once your vegan chili is all done, you're going to want to turn down the heat, set aside, and we're going to go into chopping up our ingredients that are going to go on top of our chili. First, we're going to start with our avocado and slice that up. We're going to go in and add a dollop of sour cream. We also went in and paired our vegan chili with some scallions and chili peppers.
We hope you enjoyed. Stay warm, stay tuned.
And make sure you're following us on Thank You